To get started with backlinks, on the left side under the SEO toolkit, click Backlink Analytics. Go ahead and enter your domain name into the field, then click Analyze. At a glance, you can see some high-level statistics about your domain's backlinks. For example, we can see that there are a total of 2,000 backlinks linking to our site from elsewhere. These are coming from 563 other websites. Our total website traffic is 28.4 thousand visits a month, with 7.3 thousand of those visits coming from Google. If you'd like to, you can compare your site to your competitors by clicking in the Add Competitor field and then typing a domain manually or clicking one of the auto-suggested competitors from the dropdown. If you want to compare more than one, click the Add Up to 3 Competitors button and compare some of the other websites. Click Compare, and then you can see how your site stacks up against the competition. This is a cool feature, but I'm not going to dive too deep into this for now, so I'll go ahead and click Cancel. What I really want to do is figure out how we can improve our backlink situation. So right here under Overall Toxicity Score, you see there's nothing generated yet. So let's set up a backlink audit. Go ahead and click that link. You'll see that Semrush will start to process. To get a more detailed view, go ahead and click Go to Backlink Audit. I'm going to go ahead and close out this pop-up up here. Right now in the background, Semrush is auditing the backlinks for your website. When it's finished, we'll be able to check out the toxicity of these links to make sure that we don't have any sketchy sites linking back to us. And if the audit does find any sketchy sites linking back to us, we can take steps to mitigate that. This can take a while, so again, I'm going to fast forward to save some time. Okay, here again, we've jumped into the future and the backlink audit is complete.